My name is Monica. I'm here to tell you about 1028 Auto Collision Repair and Auto Finisher. We are located on D Street at the corner 4th Street in Floresville, Texas. 1028 provide customers with high standard of quality work and service. So if you have friend or know someone who need their car fixed, restore, or car accident, do them a favor and have them call 1028 at 830-534-4899 for free estimate. Our staff and technician have over 10 years experience in the field and a combined experience of over 35 years. We can work from a 1949 restoration to a brand new showcase car. Give us a try. Take a look at one of our recent job, complete restoration on 2006 GMC Sierra. We start by removing all door handles and door panel and seals. We remove tailgate, rear bumper, side step, and moldings. Our process includes sanding down all clear coating to the base paint. Then we proceed by pinpointing all dent and scratches. From there we proceed to remove all dents before proceeding to spot prime the repaired areas and smooth sanding to perfection. Next step, we proceed to complete the entire car to remove any salt, grime, oil, and any particle that will affect the paint work. Now we resand the entire body to bring it back perfect smooth surface. Before applying 3-coat S primer and remove any imperfections before peppering to the complete. Second was to remove all dust and any grime residual before starting to prepare to put the first coat of paint. And here it is, the complete job of primer and 3 coats of base color and clear coats. Notice the installation of the door chrome strip and the new side chrome step. Just a perfect job from 1028 Refinishers in Floresville, Texas. Don't forget, give us a call. 830-534-4899. Once again, 830-534-4899.